fix Roblox game thumbnail upload rejected. So to fix a rejected or failing Roblox game thumbnail upload, what you can do is adjust image specification. Save your image strictly as a PNG or JPG file and avoid unsupported formats like WebP. Also make sure that the image is under 3 MB and fits the standard maximum resolution of 1920 and 1080 pixels. Also change the file name to simple alphanumeric characters. Remove any kind of symbols, spaces or potentially flagged words that trigger content filters. Now if the rejection is a glitch or false positive moderation block, slightly crop or alter a single pixel of the image and resave it under a completely new file name before uploading again. You can also change your upload method. Just go to one of your web browser, for example Google Chrome or Safari, then navigate to Roblox login page, then tap login, then sign into your account. Once you've signed in, tap the 3-dot icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen, then scroll down and then tap request desktop site, and then navigate directly to the Roblox creator dashboard rather than using the mobile app or standard mobile layout. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.